Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to remove TikTok watermark. So if we are talking about those cases when you want to download video and you want to remove that watermark, so open TikTok and find whatever video that you want to download, and then on the right hand side you see here a share an icon that looks like this, and basically save not save video but copy link to that video. Okay, link is copied. Then we need to access the web browser, and here I want you to search for download TikTok video without watermark, and then open even the first link. Here you should insert your link that you have just copied and tap download button, wait a few seconds, then scroll down and you want to select without watermark. So here are many advertisements, and then you want to download it, and here at the bottom left side of the screen you see downloaded video. It is downloaded to the files, but you can see that this video is completely without watermarks, and you can even download it to your gallery if you want to. Save video, and now if you go to your gallery you will see your video without a watermark. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.